Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your GoPro MAX2. So the first thing that you want to do is that just make sure the battery is charged. So in order to charge it, all you got to do is put a Type-C cable into the here. And then it's also make sure that an SD card, micro SD card is actually inserted. Afterwards, go ahead and close it up. And then let's go ahead and power it on by pressing on the left-hand side button. Now, once it's turned on, it's going to ask you for a few questions. So right now it's loading. First thing is select your language. Oops, let's select English, type in agree. Now GPS, we're gonna go turn that on. Voice control, sure. Now scan to finish setting up using your GoPro using the quick app. So we're gonna take our phone and scan this QR code. So let's go ahead and do that. So once you scan the QR code, it's gonna open up to the App Store. And this is the app that you need to go ahead and install. So it's called GoPro Quick. So we're gonna go ahead and install that real quick. And then we're gonna give it a couple of seconds until it loads. So once you have the GoPro Quick app installed, let's go ahead and create an account. And we're just going to go ahead and sign up with our Google/Gmail account. Now it's going to ask, do you own a GoPro? Yes, because we just bought one. Do we want to set it up? Sure thing. Now, next, click on allow, then click on allow again, then click on we found your GoPro, click on connect. So it should automatically find the GoPro Max. There's going to be a Bluetooth pairing request. Just click on pair and you should hear your GoPro Max2 beep. So afterwards, just give it a couple minutes and then you're going to see that the camera has been paired. Now it's going to go ahead and download the latest features and improvements to your GoPro Max2. Now, one thing I forgot to mention before is that you do want to make sure that your Wi-Fi is turned on your mobile device. I do think that helps with the downloading aspect, but let's give this a couple seconds/a minute to go ahead and finish loading and then I'll tune back in. So after that's finished loading, you're going to see this window here, then click on continue, and it's going to connect to the camera's Wi-Fi now. So click on join. And so we're going to give it a couple seconds, it seems. Afterwards, click on continue, click on accept and continue. And yet again, we have another update. So on my phone camera or screen, you can see that there's a camera update, but same thing with the GoPro, just make sure that it's plugged in and connected to power. Now this is the last screen. It's going to give you a notification that the update is complete. So click on continue. And this is where you can now rename your GoPro. So we're going to call it John GoPro. Click on save name. And you can go ahead and set auto upload later, enable notifications, and there you have it. Your GoPro Max2 is now ready and set up. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about doing this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.